Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 15th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina. This is slip D166, and this is a before video of Endeavor. Alright, so this is a lot different than some of the notes that we currently have on this boat. And you see there is 4 shaft zincs holding up the swim platform. You have 2, I believe they're ZCH5s for your transom. You do have a bow thruster. I did not see a bow thruster zinc. I did not see a stern thruster zinc. You have 2 R5 trim tab zincs. And it does look like you have 2 color zincs that are on the single shaft that's on this boat. It looks like there's enough room for 1 shaft zinc on there, though. I'm going to get the measurement while I clean it, so let me go ahead and clean it, and then I'll get an after video.